Hi everyone, welcome to Learn with Mr. Nova. In this video, we are going to learn um, about mathematics riddles and tricks. There's just one question that we have to prove, as you can find on the screen, that prove that it's equal to 1,000. How is this possible? It's equal to 1,000. How is this possible? Okay, so if this is your first time to visit this channel, please kindly subscribe and like to promote this channel, and stay tuned to watch this video till the end. I believe and I promise you enjoy it. Let's just kickstart. Okay, there's a question that when you add 8 the result is 1,000. How is this possible? So you're given 10 seconds to attempt this question before getting the solution. Time up. Okay, now you're going to get the solution to this question. So to the solution to this question, you're just permitted to use addition only to solve this question. Okay, if you add us 888 plus 8 plus 88, as you can find 888 plus 88 plus 8 plus 8, as you can find 888, as 888 plus 88 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So if you add this, you realize that the answer will be 1,000. And if you count the number of 8s here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can find that there are 8 8s as what the question requires us, that you should add 8 8, and the answer is 1,000. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If that be the case, as I said, that to promote this channel, all I need is just kindly subscribe and like this video, and stay tuned to, and you can equally click on the notification icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a video on YouTube. Thanks, and see you in my next video.